discuss. Students, now we will discuss Rankins earth pressure theory in active state or active pressure. Active earth pressure will derive now. So see, this is the Mohr circle diagram. Okay, so as we know already about Mohr circle diagram. Okay, so this is a Mohr envelope. Mohr envelope. Right. So on the x-axis, normal stress is taken. On the y-axis, shear stress is taken. Okay. So this is the Mohr envelope, and here it is a Mohr circle, and it is drawn with the radius. And we use the Mohr circle mainly to represent major and minor principal stresses. Okay. So in the diagram, if you see, so there is some geometry involved here. Okay. So O to E distance is considered as PA, means the pressure in the active state, and the radius from O to B is considered as sigma V, vertical stress, or it is the normal stress in the vertical direction, right? So this is a graphical procedure. Mohr Coulomb's theory or Mohr circle theory is the graphical procedure. Okay. So with the help of graphs, whatever the distances or the radii, whatever we get, that is considered as the magnitudes of stresses or magnitudes of pressure. Okay. So first, what is there from the diagram? What we can write from the diagram? Okay. So here, if you see PA, okay, PA is equal to OE. We can write from the diagram, right? Which is equal to OC minus CE. So this is the equation 1. Okay. So in the equation 1, we have written the expression for PA. Okay, pressure in the active state. Now we'll see what is CE. Okay. So what we can write about CE? CE is equal to DC or CD. Right? CA is equal to CD. Right? And which is equal to OC sin phi. Right? So how it is possible? Since sin phi is equal to CD by OC. Right? So this is from trigonometry. Right? So now we have written the expression for CA. Okay? CA is equal to OC sin phi dash. Right? So consider this to be equation 2. Okay? Now substitute equation 2 in 1, right? So the equation for PA will be equal to, right, OC minus OC sin phi dash, right? Sin phi dash. So let us take OC to be common. OC 1 minus sin phi dash. So this is the expression that we got for PA, right? So now let us write the expression for sigma V. Okay. So sigma V is the vertical stress, normal stress in the vertical direction. So it is equal to OB, right? So if you see the diagram, OB is equal to sigma V, right? And which is equal to OC plus CB, right? OC plus CB, right? So from the diagram we can say CB is equal to CE again. right? So we got the expression for CE here, right? Now consider this to be equation 3, right? So substitute 2 in 3, right? So CB is equal to CA, we can write, right? From the similar triangle principle, right? So sigma V, okay, sigma V is equal to OC plus, we consider CB to be equal to CE here, okay? CA is what? OC sin phi dash, right? So let us take OC to be common now. This is 1 plus sin phi dash, okay? Let us write the expression now for PA by sigma V, okay? So PA is equal to what? OC by 1 minus sin phi dash, right? Sigma V is equal to what? OC of 1 plus sin phi dash, right? So let us cancel these terms, OC, and which is equal to PA by sigma B is equal to 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi dash, right? As we want pressure in the active case, pressure in the active state, okay? So the equation will become PA is equal to 1 minus sin phi dash 1 plus. Now we are writing the expression for PA because we want the expression for pressure in the active state, right? Which is PA is equal to, pressure in the active state PA is equal to 1 minus sin pi dash by 1 plus sin pi dash into sigma V, okay? So this can be rewritten like this, okay? PA is equal to, okay? So this term is replaced with K naught, KA, and we all know that the total stress in the vertical direction is equal to gamma into Z, right? So it is always the multiplication of two terms, that is unit weight and the depth, right? So the PA will be equal to now KA into gamma Z. So this is a standard equation for pressure in the active state, okay? Lateral earth pressure in the active state, right? So what is that we understood from this, okay? What is Ka here? Ka equal to 1 minus sin phi dash by 1 plus sin phi dash. So what is Ka here, okay? So K is the coefficient of earth pressure in the active state, which is equal to 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi, okay? And calculate Ka when phi dash equal to 30 degrees, okay? Ka is equal to, Ka can also be written as tan square 45 minus phi dash by 2. This is from trigonometry. So students, now we'll discuss the next case, that is passive earth pressure, okay? So what is happening here? The retaining wall is trying to compress the soil, right? So the retaining wall is moving in this direction. So because of which the soil grains are compressed. Now we are going to calculate the lateral earth pressure which is existed in the which is existing in the soil, right? So we'll calculate passive earth pressure, that is P. Okay, pressure in the passive state, which is equal to, so from the diagram we can write, right? So passive earth pressure PP is equal to, so from the diagram PP is equal to OC plus CE, right? So what is the CE now? Okay, so CE is equal to, we can write it to be OC plus CD. CE to be OC plus CD. CE is the same as CD. CE is same as CD from the diagram or from the similar triangles principle, right? So, and what is CD? CD is equal to OC sin phi. So this you know it from the CD, right? CD is equal to OC sin phi dash. So this is from trigonometry, right? Okay. So now PP is equal to what? PP is equal to OC, if you take common, 1 plus sin phi dash, right? So we got the expression for pressure in the passive state, right? So let us write what is OB now, right? So OB is equal to what? OC minus BC, right? OC minus BC, which is equal to OC minus CD, right? And what we know, CD is equal to, we'll substitute CD now. CD is equal to OC sin phi dash, right? So here we can write, since CD is equal to OC sin phi dash, right? So OB will be equal to, take OC to be common, so the expression will be 1 minus sin phi dash, right? So this is OB can be considered as sigma B, right? Sigma B is equal to, OB is equal to sigma B. From the diagram we can write this. So sigma B is equal to OC of 1 minus sin phi dash, right? So consider this to be 1, this to be 2. Now apply the mathematical operation 1 by 2. So PP by sigma V is equal to, PP is what? OC of 1 plus sin phi dash by sigma V is how much? OC of 1 minus sin phi dash, right? So let us cancel the terms, right? So PP is equal to, right? PP we want now, right? A passive earth pressure we want. PP is equal to 1 minus sin phi dash by 1 plus sin phi dash. Okay, so we'll take this sigma V to right side. Sigma V. Okay, so let us rewrite the equation. PP is equal to Kp into sigma V, which is equal to gamma into Z. Right? So this term is considered as Kp. Okay, and sigma V which is equal to gamma into Z always, right? So PP equal to Kp into gamma Z, right? So this is the standard equation for calculation of earth pressure in the passive case, right? So we know what is Kp is equal to coefficient of earth pressure in the passive case, right? And Kp can also be equal to, right, Kp, let me write here, Kp, we have two formulas here. Kp is equal to 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi, and also there is one more formula for this. Okay, so from the trigonometry we can write it tan square of 45 plus 5 by 2. Okay, any of these we can use. Okay, now standard equation to calculate the passive earth pressure, lateral earth pressure.